Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, has begun again. But this time around, don't forget that for a while now, Imo State has been bubbling. Imo State have been so hot, so much tension in the air. UGM, the police officers, it has just been one saga or the other. But right now, there is a program that is ongoing, and it looks like it's going to get even more messier as the days unfold. But before we go into the news to find out what it is Governor Uzodinma is about to do, in fact, he has already done it already. Would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, today's event highlights the presentation of more vehicles and security gadgets to Operation Search and Flush team. It is a bold statement on our ironclad resolve to flush out criminals from our dear state, Governor Uzodinma is saying though. It is a signal to bandits, hoodlums, and trigger-happy criminals that their time is up in Imo State. Governor Uzodinma continues. Again, this event further underscores the fact that our government can never be intimidated by criminals and their sponsors. It also reaffirms our commitment to the protection of lives and property of all citizens of the state, including those on transit. You will recall that just a few days after I assumed office as the governor of Imo State, I inaugurated the security outfit known as Operation Search and Flush (OSF), which brought together all the different security agencies to work as a team to fight every form of criminality. The objective then and now is to rout and root out every aspect of crime in our state. I empowered the outfit then with a record of 100 patrol vehicles and sophisticated communication equipment to help them achieve the objective. There is no doubt that the intervention yielded positive results, the recent pockets of crime here and there notwithstanding. Let me therefore commend the heads of security agencies in Imo State and their men for their supportive roles in keeping Imo State and her citizens safe. No matter what might have happened recently, the gallantry and sacrifices of these patriotic officers have never been in doubt. May I use this opportunity to commiserate with families of the officers who paid the supreme price in the course of executing their lawful duties. My administration will always do the needful to cushion the pains of these losses. In like manner, we shall do all that we can to ameliorate the pains of families who lost their loved ones at the cost of accidental engagements with security agencies. Our sincere condolences go to the affected families. My beloved people of Imo State, in a way, we can say that today's event is part of our response to the evolving security challenges in the state. We are reinforcing what we started last year. We are re-energizing the security architecture in the state to make it more proactive and result-oriented. These vehicles and equipment being donated by my administration are eloquent testimony to our resolve to confront and combat criminality headlong. Furthermore, in the coming weeks, I shall be integrating the Imo State Vigilante outfit, otherwise known as Ebubahago, to complement the effect and effort of Operation Search and Flush in fighting crime in the state. Let me therefore use the auspicious occasion of this memorable event to declare a total war against crime, criminality, and their sponsors in the state. In this regard, I am today declaring a zero tolerance for crime in Imo State. From now onwards, Imo State shall be a no-go area for criminals. We shall take the world to their doorstep and to their doorway of all criminals, their kindred and their helmets and their hideout. We shall smoke them out and flush them out of Imo State. Consequently, I hereby charge our security agencies to chase the criminals to their hideouts, all smoking joints where they sell all manner of drugs, and you should chase them out and search and flush them out. Henceforth, any landlord who avails his property to criminals, even smokers, will be answerable to the law. In like manner, any traditional ruler in whose domains criminals abide and who fails to report same to relevant authorities will be held accountable. We can no longer tolerate a situation whereby our state is used as a breeding heaven for criminals. To the good people of Imo State and residents, I say to you, you are safe. Go about your lawful engagement without any fear of molestation. No shaking. Your safety is guaranteed. On that note, it is my pleasure to present these vehicles and equipment to the Operation Search and Flush outfit to further reinforce their operational capacity in the onerous task of protecting lives and properties in Imo State. Thank you. God bless Imo State. Senator Hope Uzodinma, Governor, Imo State. Hope New and Electronic Media Center. Whoa. Whoa. Well, but one thing I can say about this that is good news to everyone who cares to listen is the fact that you see those beautiful vehicles you're saying, I'm suspecting it's coming from Innocent Motors. That's his kind of brand. So one thing I must, as a matter of urgency, congratulate Governor Hope Uzodinma for his going indigenous. The fact that he patronized an indigenous Nigerian product, I must say, well done, sir, for doing just that. That one alone first, I want to say thank you. He didn't bother to go buying foreign vehicles. He didn't bother to go buying other vehicles or imported vehicles. He chose innocent. He chose the brand in Nigeria. Okay, which is good enough. At least those number of vehicles, it will create more jobs for those in innocent vehicles, give them rooms to do other things. But let's look at the nitty-gritty of the show. Now we have Operation Search and Flush, and based on what the Governor Hope Uzodinma said, it's actually a collaboration of all the agencies put together to do more like, should I call it a joint task force team? But this one is Igbo branch. Along the line, he's going to open up a Ibago Imo State branch. Yes, not. I think they've not yet inaugurated that yet, but they're looking into doing that within the month. But with what he has also said, he said, I'm picking out 3-4 things out of his statement, his press release. The one that he said that if for any reason you are a paramount ruler and you have criminals or you have people that are temp criminals in your domain and you don't report them, you are answerable. It's a very heavy statement. It's laced with so many things. You don't forget he's the chief security officer of that state. And that you are a landlord and you house people and you don't know what they do for a living. And for whatever reasons, they are temp criminals. It's a heavy, strong statement. You may lose even your house over it, because as the chief security officer, he may decide to look through the law and do whatever he deems fit. Imo State in the coming days, definitely coming weeks, is going to be very, very hot. But we'll keep you updated as events keep unfolding in the same Imo State. That's where we'll wrap it up. Let's meet in that conversation. What's your take? This is really getting hotter. Let's interact.